In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Folders. Folders in ClickUp are a simple but powerful way to group related work so your projects stay tidy and easy to navigate. Think of a folder as a container inside a space that holds multiple related lists and keeps their workflows consistent. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to set up a folder that matches your process. Start by going to ClickUp and opening your Workspace. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Spaces. This is where your top-level areas live, like departments, clients, or big themes of work. Make sure you're looking at the space where you want the folder to live. If the space is collapsed, expand it so you can see what's inside and confirm you're in the right place before you create anything new. Next, click the plus icon next to the Spaces area on the left sidebar. This icon opens a creation menu that lets you add new items to your workspace. If you have multiple spaces, be mindful of the one that's active so your new folder lands in the correct spot. This quick check saves you from having to move things later. From the creation options, choose Folder. Selecting Folder tells ClickUp you want to create a container that will hold multiple lists under a single theme. This helps you organize complex projects, phases, or client accounts so you don't end up with a long, scattered list of unrelated work. Keeping work grouped at the folder level also makes it easier to apply consistent views and statuses later. Now give your folder a clear, descriptive name, then save. A strong name should make the folder's purpose obvious at a glance. Think project name, client name, or a phase like Q2 campaigns. After naming, you can choose the statuses type you want this folder to use. Statuses define the stages a task moves through, and setting them here applies a consistent workflow to everything inside the folder. Pick a simple setup if your process is straightforward, or choose a custom set if you need more detailed steps. Aim for clear, action-oriented labels and always include an end state like done or closed. You can adjust colors for quick scanning. And remember, you can refine these later as your process evolves. Click Save to create the folder. That's it, your folder is ready, living neatly inside the correct space with the workflow you selected. Keeping these fundamentals consistent will make your workspace easier to navigate, your reporting cleaner, and your team faster at getting work across the finish line.